keep the lights on. You keep traffic moving. You keep people safe. It's time to sharpen your skills. IMSA Forum and Expo 2026, Spokane, Washington, July 12th through 16th. 4 days built for the professionals who work in the field, the technicians, the installers, the specialists who make public safety systems run. See the latest equipment and technologies from industry leaders. Meet fellow technicians and professionals who speak your language. Share knowledge. Earn certifications that advance your career. Traffic signal technician, roadway lighting, work zone safety, signs and markings, and more. Get certified or recertified, all in one place.
I am IMSA.
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 One community dedicated to public safety. IMSA Forum and Expo 2026, Spokane. Your skills, your future, your event. Register at imsasafety.org/events.